Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Rico channel. My name is Rico and today I'm gonna show you my top 5 hidden features you probably didn't know exist on Lightroom. I know what you're thinking right now. Who doesn't know there is a masking tool on the detail panel? But that's not what I mean by masking when sharpening. I'm pretty sure most of you only drag the masking slider based on your feeling. But do you know that by pressing the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows while dragging the slider, you could see the area that gets sharpened. So let's take this picture as an example. Sharpen this image to maybe 40, and then if you drag the masking slider based on your feeling, it is quite hard to notice the difference between using the masking or keep it on the 0. So if you press the Option key while dragging, you could see that the picture become a black and white picture. But actually the black area represents the area that doesn't get sharpened, and the brighter area represents all the area that gets sharpened. Let's say that you have several photos taken in the same place, but because you didn't set your camera manually, it causes every photo to have a different exposure level. Well, this could be a problem when you would like to apply the same adjustment to every single photo. So what you need to do when facing this situation is using the match tonal exposure. For example, this image contains a lot of shadows, so I will choose this one that I think is well balanced photo, and then by pressing the Command key or the Control key on the Windows, you could match the tonal exposure by clicking the setting and then click the match tonal exposure. And as you can see, this picture gets brighter than the before version. One of the Lightroom's strong points compared to other editing programs is the ability to organize our photos neatly. But sometimes we want to save our time organizing our photos, but we just didn't know there is a shortcut to help us in grouping our image, which is the Auto Advance. So if you want to set the priority of your image by rating, for example, you can rate this image by 5 if you would like to edit this image earlier than the other image. And for example, this one, you rate it 4. If it is just 1 or 2 images, it won't be a problem. But what if we take 1,000 pictures and we have to rate every single photos that we have captured? Well, this is when the Auto Advance using caps locks comes in handy. You can press the caps lock key, and then after you press the caps lock key, all you need to do is set the rating of your photos. For example, if I click 5, then it will automatically go to the next photo, which could save your time. Every picture has a different destination. Sometimes we would like to upload to Shutterstock, but maybe on other occasions we want to show the same image on Instagram. That is why we usually change the crop orientation of our photos. Take this photo as an example. If I decided to upload this image on Shutterstock, I would probably let the image on landscape orientation, as this orientation gives a larger view of the image. But if I want to upload this image to Instagram, then I would prefer a portrait-oriented image, as it will appear bigger on our follower screen. So what you need to do is go to the crop tools and then press X on your keyboard. Now you can change the crop orientation on your image. There's a time when we just couldn't find the right adjustment for specific basic adjustment. If we see the basic panel, we could find these auto features. Unfortunately, not every single person likes the auto adjustment by the program. So for example, on this photo, if we click on the auto, every basic adjustment will change. But I personally didn't like this auto adjustment because it just looks too bright for me. So let's say that I only want to adjust the highlights. All you need to do is press the shift key while double click the highlights. It will automatically adjust the highlights for you, and you could do the rest adjustment by yourself. So that's all from me. I really hope that these features could help you in saving your time while editing on the Lightroom. Well, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. And if you would like to see my upcoming videos, consider subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.